Hi everyone, welcome to Questions with Krista. I am a real estate agent broker just like you, and in the grind of it, in the grunt of it, so we talk about local marketing strategies to help you stand out from everyone else. So we've got Molly Pennington here, and Molly says, do you suggest mailing out just sold cards to subdivisions where your listings just sold? Absolutely yes. Just listed cards, just sold cards. It's very, very important to do it. The thing though that a lot of agents do, and I don't think it's very effective, is that they just do these postcards so that when they list a house or when they sell a house, but they don't do it to the regular farming area. So what you want to think about is if you're just doing it to where you are to a house that you're selling in a certain subdivision, but you're not doing it on a regular basis to your actual farm, I call this location domination, they're not seeing you all the time. So the likelihood of somebody being ready to sell when they see your postcard just that one time is very small. However, if you on a regular basis will take your listeds, your solds, your multiple just listed, your multiple just solds, your pendings, and you market them to a certain geographic farm that you choose and pick, right? And you do this over and over again on a consistent basis, eventually they're going to realize that they continue to see your postcards. So what happens with people is they do this. They get a postcard, they throw it away. They get a postcard, they throw it away. But after they've seen your postcard for 3 months, for a year, for 18 months, for 2 years, when they're absolutely ready to sell, then all of a sudden they're going to realize that they've been seeing your postcards over and over again. But what most people do is they just market one time or 2 times. But think about it. When people are ready, they're ready. So somebody that might get your postcards right now might not be ready, but when they get your postcards in 6 months, they might be ready. But if you're not regularly sending out those postcards to the same area, then they're not going to see you, right? The likelihood of them being ready and available and ready to list right that 1 second is very, very low. But when you keep doing it over and over again, you never know when the iron is going to strike, when the iron's going to be hot. The goal and the idea is that you are around, that they keep seeing your marketing materials when they're actually ready to sell. Now, if you accompany this correctly with sending out your postcards, to properly nurturing them through your social media campaigns, with them seeing you on video, with them seeing your signs, right? I mean, running your Facebook ads and campaigns, seeing you on social media, YouTube, Instagram, and all over the place, that's when it really helps. So if you're just doing farming, but you're not doing any other digital marketing strategies, it probably will not be as effective. If you accompany your just listed cards, your just sold cards, along with other social media strategies so that you're always top of mind awareness and you're inadvertently nurturing. So think about this. When people are seeing your stuff on a regular basis over and over again, you're inadvertently nurturing to them. You're inadvertently prospecting. It's like you're cold calling, you're door knocking, you're doing all of those things all of the time just because you're constantly and consistently showing up on people's feeds where they're looking. So when you accompany digital marketing strategies with traditional print mail, it's very, very effective. So I hope that made sense, Molly, and helped you out. And as always, everyone, do me a favor. Be sure to turn on your post notifications and be sure to subscribe to our page so we know we can continue getting you great, relevant content. And as always, make it a great day. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.